So hello guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the best PLR product, PLR digital product, so that you can make it as if your own and then you can sell it and keep the profit. All right. So you may have been gone through or maybe find so many websites out there, and then they may even tell you that you can do it for free, but when you go there and take their website, for example, let's go and search for the PLR product, PLR product or digital product 2023, whatever. Now you can see so many websites are here and so many videos are here. By the way, nowadays Google is showing so many videos here. I don't know. Anyway, so if you take a look at the other sorts here down here, you can find many, right? So many. And then if you go in there and take, they tell you, okay, it is a free platform, you can download and sell, right? But if you try to download any of the product, first of all, they tell you, okay, you have to pay for this one because this is a new product and this and that, right? For example, there are two three very much popular websites such as idplr.com. For example, this is the one, and there is in digital store or something like that. Okay. I'm so much familiar with this platform as well, and most people advise you to go through this one. For example, here you can even join this platform for free, but there is a catch. You know what? Let's say you want to buy a product, right, that is up to date, right? You don't want to sell something that has been selling for about maybe very long time, and most people are aware of these things. So you cannot just sell this, right? So you want to sell something which is new, up to date. In that case, you cannot easily get this product for free, right? In this case, you have to buy the product and then you can make it your own, and then you can only sell, right? So for that matter, I would suggest to you, you can go with this as well, this platform as well, but I don't recommend this one now, it because um, the license system, and because you have to be the subscriber of the website, right? You need to take the subscription package in order to get the updated or new product, right? But and then there are also many websites, they offer the same thing, so you can go through that. But in this video, I'm going to talk about this one because I recently bought one of the product through this one. So there are PLR product and there are niche wise product. By the way, you can just take a look at your niche. For example, let's say I'm on affiliate marketing, so I'll click on affiliate marketing, and then I will see many product and they are very up to date. So for example, if I want to promote this one, how much it is costing me? It is costing me about $4.99, almost $5, right? And then here I can see $5, and then everything, lead magnet, private label. So you can just take a look at everything, even the content here, and this all information, pre-launch, this everything, the photos, right? The squeeze page, every single, even the HTML. So everything that you get here just for $5. So for example, you buy this one because this is up to date, new one, and then once you buy it, you can make it, you can just sell it, right? Maybe $7 or $9 a month. So I would recommend you to go with this platform. And no, I'm not affiliate with this platform, so don't worry about this. If you just want to go with any other platform, you can go. Otherwise, I recommend you to go with this one because they have up to date updated product that you can buy and sell, right? Because you don't want to sell something which is outdated. Okay, so let me show you the next part now, what to do. So once you pick the product here, the next thing that you want to do is you want to build a very simple funnel. Okay, just like the one I have built here. Okay, now I use one of the all-in-one marketing platform. The link is in the description, by the way. If you want to try this, this is completely free, all-in-one marketing platform, and called system.io. So this is the platform I use. I am using this ebook as a lead magnet, and there is a thank you page I'll show you, and then that's where I'm doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's say you can just sell it, right? You don't have to do the affiliate marketing because once you buy this product, now you own the product. You can just sell the product, and you can just have this information on the first page. And then on the thank you page, here I'm doing affiliate marketing. Therefore, there is no checkout page. Otherwise, once you want to, if you want to sell this product, for example, you buy this product and you want to sell this product, you'll make a simple page here and you'll make a checkout page here, right? So once, what happens is that you can make three steps of funnel. So I will show you in the next video if you want, right? So what happens is that you will make a simple squeeze page where you talk about the product, and then you make a simple a checkout page that can be done easily so through this platform system.io, and then you will make a thank you page just like this one, and done. You can make so much money with that. All right, of course it takes time, and of course marketing is the key, and of course the offer is the key. So you need to make sure that the product that you are picking is right, and then the product is up to date and it helps someone to do what they want, right? It helps someone to do, maybe to go from A to B, right, or B to C, right? Because nobody is going to pay you money unless you solve their problem. So we need to find a product that solves the problem, and then only you can promote. You can do the Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever that you want, right? Because if you want to do affiliate marketing, and then promote ads, run ad, this can be a bit challenging, right? But if you want to sell the product, very easy. Make funnel on system.io. The link is in the description. You want to go through that, you can try out and make a simple, very simple page just like this one, and make another checkout page, and then thank you page. Only three steps of funnel that you can make. In the next video I will make that one, and I will show you as well how you can do that. All right, so I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.